Maybe you want to learn English. Maybe you have a dream to speak English well. You want to work. You want to explore the world. You want to make new friends. You want to watch English movies. Overall, you want to open your world of English. But there is a big problem. You say, I am lazy. You say, I will do it tomorrow. And when tomorrow comes, you say, I will do it later. And in this way, your English learning remains a dream. You cannot fulfill it. My dear friend, if you feel you are alone in this journey, no, there are millions who are facing the same challenge. They want to do it, but they are lazy. They cannot start. And hence, I have come up with this video. I want to tell you how you can do this, how it is possible. In this small video, you will get your answer. So watch this video carefully because it is very important. And you can start today itself. The first question comes, why do we feel we are lazy? We feel that we are lazy because for us, English is too complicated. English is too tough. Most of the time, you get confused where to start. Should I start with grammar? Should I start with vocabulary? Should I read English books? Should I listen to English videos? What should I do? Oof, my head is burning. This is what you think. And finally you say, well, let me do it later. I can't do it now. You get confused. You feel there is no other road. And finally you stop. But remember one thing. You don't need to do this every day. You don't need to spend 3 hours every day. You just need a small step to take. Daily 5 minutes is enough. One important thing. A small action is very powerful. Just imagine, every day you spend 5 minutes. At the end of 1 month, you get 150 minutes. Your work is almost done. In 150 minutes, you can find yourself in the next level. Many a times, what you do is that you always think, I will do tomorrow. I will do tomorrow. In this way, you keep postponing your work. Nothing is happening in your life. Your dreams are falling. So don't let your dreams fall, my dear friend. Find your dream and work on this every day for 5 minutes. Remember, English is not just a language. It's an opportunity for you. English opens up doors for you. People will love you. People will respect you. People will come to talk to you when you know English. Your value will be much more when English becomes your friend. If you know English, you can travel to many countries without any problem. If you know English, you can make friends from all over the world. In my case, I have friends from across the world. I have students from US, Canada, Australia, and that's how you also earn a lot of money. And that's why I said English opens up a door for you. But for that, you need to turn a small key. That small key is your daily action. Whenever you are free, maybe for 5 minutes, maybe for 10 minutes, just spend that time in learning English. All you have to do is that find a place and start. Maybe today you want to read some English textbook. Maybe tomorrow you want to learn 1 or 2 new words. In this way, just figure out a place and just do it. In 5 minutes, you can also read a page of a book or write 2 sentences of your daily life. If you come across anyone, just talk to that person in English. Learn some daily used phrases like, how are you doing? You had your breakfast? How is everyone at home? What are you doing these days? Remember, when you start doing this, you will automatically start improving and you will be happy to see yourself changing. And your laziness will fly away. You will be much more motivated. You will be smart enough to face the world. You can also do this. Close your eyes. Imagine that after 6 months, I will be in this position. Manifestation works. Try it out. I'm sure you got my point. So why you are stopping yourself? Let's start now. Let's start today itself. Get up and fulfill your dreams. One small thing I want you to do now. Repeat few sentences with me, the same way I am talking, with that energy, with the same accent. Okay, let's try. Hello, Mr. Rupam. Say it. I am starting my English learning journey today. And I will never look back again. In next 6 months' time, I will be a strong English speaker. So got it, my dear friends? I'm sure you will do it. I wish you all the very best. Good luck. If you like my video, please do subscribe. I will see you again. Thank you.